Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. And in today's tutorial, I am going to show you guys how to resolve an issue you're coming across with Windows Update, and specifically if you're coming across an error message when you're attempting to run an update and the update status says that a current driver on your PC may be better than the driver we're trying to install. We'll keep trying to install, and then underneath that it might say your device is at risk because it's out of date and missing important security and quality updates. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into this, and we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Just left click on it one time, type in troubleshoot. Best match should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and left click on that. And you want to scroll on the right side here and select additional troubleshooters. So we're on a newer version of Windows 10 here as of the spring 2020 update, so things might look a little bit different. Unfortunately, things consistently change with Windows, especially twice a year. But anyway, you're going to have to click on that, additional troubleshooters as of the latest build, and then underneath get up and running, select Windows Update, resolve problems that prevent you from updating Windows, and go ahead and select run the troubleshooter. This may take a moment here. Okay, so hopefully that would have been able to resolve the problem here. You just would select close and then restart your computer and then attempt to run the update again and see if that again has resolved the problem. Another thing you can try here, this is a little bit of a generic issue here. So we would open up the start menu and type in device manager. Best match to go back with device manager. Go ahead and left click on that. And now in Device Manager, you locate whatever adapter or drive you're having the issue. Let's just say it was a network adapter here. So just go ahead and double click on it. And then I'm just going to select my network connection here. Let's just say, for example, that's what our driver issue was. And then I'm going to select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers. Locate and install driver manually. And then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. So select whatever one it usually would recommend, specific from the publisher. You could select the basic driver usually as well, but I recommend using the one from the publisher. And then go ahead and select next. And once that's done, you can just select close it here, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.